Hi, this is Mark from forex-fxtrader.com, following on from yesterday's daily signal analysis. As I mentioned yesterday, this is purely educational. This is for all of us to learn what to look for if you want to trade on daily charts. This is not for anybody to put any money anywhere near it, and I am only going to trade this on the demo as well. The reason being is I normally trade from the 4-hour charts, and I want to get onto the day chart so I don't spend as much time in front of the PC, but I need to get into the groove of it just as much as you do. Right, yesterday, let's have a recap. Yesterday on the Euro GBP, I mentioned that there had been a breakout, that price had previously resisted at this area, 86.50 area, and finally there was a breakout yesterday. But I did say that I didn't fancy it. I didn't take the trade because it was too near to this strong resistance line, 8700 area, that has held since the beginning of June. And for me, the potential profit here, 20 odd pips, was not a good idea. But what I mentioned was that I would be looking for a bounce back down again. And for this, on the daily, it was too late. So on this one, I went down to the 4-hour chart. Well, again, with the 4-hour chart, it wasn't clear. This was where we were last night. Candle went down, candle went up. This candle, by the time this candle's moved, it would have been too late. But on the 1-hour chart, there was a brilliant sign that we should get involved. This was the candle that came up at 8 o'clock. Now, this is Alpari, so it was 7 a.m. this morning. 7 a.m. London time. Came up, touched here again, doji candle. Serious sign of indecision. Rejection again, I went short. I got in here at 86.82, I think I got filled. My initial target was, the beauty of this trade of course, was that my stop was only 25 pips away, just above the previous resistance area. So it was a good risk-reward potential. What I was aiming for, if we now go to the 15-minute charts and take a look at where we were, this was where price had rejected. No, it wasn't. That was the other one. Where have we gone? Here we go. There we go. So price had rejected. We had two doji, and I can't remember what this one's called, but basically these are serious indecision. What I was looking for was for price to go and hit the 200 EMA. And if you've read my ebook, you'll know that the 200 EMA, in my opinion, is one of the strongest, if not the strongest. Now, as it was, price didn't get there quite, and I actually got out as this price was starting to reverse here. And I got out because this candle had broken the Bollinger Band, which again is explained in the book, and again the price started to come back up, and I think I got out at 86.68. So it was only 15-16 pip gain. On the GBP Euro, though, I do double up, and I got taken out on the second lot here for about 5 pips as well. So, but there are trades there, and this is why you need to learn to look at different time frames. Equally, the New Zealand dollar. Now, the New Zealand dollar, I explained reasons yesterday why I wouldn't get involved. The main thing was that I thought the price was going to stop here, which it did to the pip. So again, the risk-reward was not good enough. However, there was a trade on the New Zealand dollar, a different kind of trade. In fact, there were two beauties in here. I didn't take this one, but a good friend of mine trades breaks, gaps in the market. And as you can see here, price from Friday night close of the market at 68.20 suddenly opened up at 68.50, 30 pips away. Now, 90% of the time, a gap will fill. So, lo and behold, my mate, he gets his profit because the gap filled. I don't really like them because he trades this without a stop. On this occasion, having said that, he could have put the stop just the other side of the strong resistance line that we had before. Personally, I got in this trade because of, again, candles, 15-minute candle. I think I was alerted to this by the 1-hour, possibly that one. But anyway, on a 15-minute, the candle here we have, again, has come up, touched to the pip, and then we're starting to move away. Now, I got in at 68.70, so I'm somewhere down here. I got out again down here. I can't remember, crikey, where I got out. But the bottom line is that there are trades to be made with candle variations. You just need to learn to look at the different time frames.